get out? How is it going to get out?
He'll get out.
Do you need the cat poo? The cat shampoo? Nope. He was just playing.
Don't. If he wants to get out, let him get out. He's chasing his tail. There, he got it. There he goes.
Let's choose ice cream instead.
No, little girl, come on.
Nope, he likes it in there.
He does?
To hurry up.
It's like his little chair.
It is.